Today's advanced English phrases along with their origin and meaning are number 1, 9 to 5, number 2, fat cat, number 3, by leaps and bounds. So the first is 9 to 5. The origin of this phrase is before the 20th century, the working condition of the workers used to be very horrible, because they had to work day and night in dangerous working conditions. They had to work for long hours in unhygienic places. So in 20th century, Ford Motor Company introduced this concept of 9 to 5, which meant that workers now had to work only for 40 hours per week, which meant 8 hours per day. Okay, so Ford Motor Company introduced this concept of 9 to 5, which meant a good working condition, bringing about improvement in the condition of workers. Now, the meaning, as you would have already guessed it, the meaning of this phrase is a traditional office job is termed as 9 to 5. The regular working hours. It comes about 8 hours per day, 40 hours per week. So that's it. But you can say nowadays working 9 to 5 is a waste of life. We have the next phrase, fat cat. The origin of this phrase is, it was coined by Frank Kent in his work, The Baltimore Sun. This phrase came in use in 1920s in the US. It is used to describe rich political donors. To be specific, the people who sponsor political campaigns, the people who donate for political campaigns, they are usually the very rich people, the top businessmen, the wealthy. Okay, so the meaning of the fat cat is the wealthy, rich people, top business class people. So you can say politicians are called as fat cat for their lavish donations, or businessmen are called as fat cat for their lavish donations. The third phrase we have is by leaps and bounds. The origin is, have you seen the movement of animals like deer and rabbit? How do they move? They jump by leaps. They can cover large areas and large distances in a very short period of time, because they usually jump and cover distances. But over time, eventually this phrase came to be used to describe improvement and progress, increase. So the meaning of by leaps and bounds is progress, improvement, increase. My business increased by leaps and bounds. My profit share increased by leaps and bounds.